Sasamahan ka hanggang sa makapunta tayo sa paraiso na.
Huwag niyong kalilimutan yung sakripisyo. Dahil ang sakripisyo ay pagmamahal. At yung pagmamahal na yun ay pinakita at pinaramdam ng Diyos. Manatili kayo sa Diyos at mananatili ang pamilya at pagmamahalan ninyo habang buhay.
Paraiso.
Bulong lang ang hiling, may nakarinig. Sa dami ng anghel sa langit, may isang nakarinig. Taimtim na panalangin, ako'y iyong natanaw.
Okay lang ba kayo?
Mr. Groom-to-be, pinabibigay ng iyong magiging
To
asawa.
my best friend and soon to be husband. I won't make this long because I know how much you hate reading long messages. Ha 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 ha. I just want to say thank you for making my dream come into reality. I hope you like my simple gift. I'll see you later, my love. Love, thank you for being the best support system in my life. Thank you dahil sinamahan mo ako sa hirap at ginhawa. Ngayon, nandito na tayo. Ito na yun, yung hinihintay natin ng matagal na.
Paraiso. 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 Paraiso.
To my love, this is for you. Perfume, hindi ko makakalimutan na gustong-gusto mo laging mabango ka. Siguro dahil gusto mo ng hug ko. But regardless of your flaws, I will be here. I will be here always on your side to stand, care, and love you. Thank you.
Ng luha sa iyong mata.
Sasamahan ka hanggang sa makapunta tayo sa paraiso na pinapangarap nating dalawa. Di na mapipigilan dahil ayaw nang mawalay pa. Sasamahan ka hanggang sa makapunta tayo sa
Sunod ka.
paraiso. 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 Sasamahan ka hanggang sa makapunta tayo sa
After a long years, 5 years courting stage, 7 years that we've been in a relationship, finally, we're here from this moment that we had both patiently waited until the stars connect the dots with the guidance of our Creator from above.
Sasamahan ka hanggang sa makapunta tayo sa paraiso na pinapangarap nating dalawa. Di na mapipigilan dahil ayaw nang mawalay pa.
I promise to be with you even when life gets hard. You won't face the world alone. I promise to be your light through the darkness and to be your guide when it seems to be hopeless. I promise to encourage and inspire you. I promise to listen to you always. You are my love everlasting. I love you.
Paraiso. Paraiso.
The very reason why you are beside her, wala ka sa harap niya, wala ka sa likod niya, nandyan ka sa tabi niya, sapagkat aalalayan mo siya doon sa kanyang kakulangan at kahinaan at kapangitan.
Called you, waiting up for to hide your heart in the dark. I'll find it waiting in the shadows.
Arvin, as I look back, I couldn't help but wonder why you never left. Our relationship was never easy. For 7 years, you fought your position in my life. And there are times when I see you get tired. but there was never a time to give up.
Mag-aasawa ka na, ito na yung last na pagdadalaga mo. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, sana tuloy-tuloy yung pagmamahalan nyo ni Arben, saka nandyan yung tiwala at bawat isa.
Mahalin mo mabuti ang asawa mo. Ha? Tandaan mo ha, support. Pag-support each other.
Thank you, Ma, sa pagpapalaki din sa akin. Kahit pasaway ako, salamat. Dahil hindi kayo sumuko sa akin, kinabayan niyo ako.
It has been a long journey, my love. And now, we are finally getting married. And it's a great love story because God Almighty wrote ours. So excited is we made it and we can finally do whatever we want. You are an answered prayer because I really prayed for you. Love you.